Setting ring. I am going to take my ring size, diameter 18. To take my ring size diameter as 18. Now I am going to create a baguette of width 1.8 As you can see, this is a rectangle. See, this is a baguette. Now I am going to transform this into a tapered baguette. I am going to provide the download link in my description for the diamond template. You can download the diamond template from the description. Now I am going to transform it with Case Edit. I am going to taper this side. As you can see, now the diamond is tapered. You can download the tapered baguette diamond template from the description link. Now I am going to make a copy of this from this vertex to snapping it from that vertex to this vertex. Now I am going to move this 0.1 mm so that the distance between these two gems can be 0.1 mm. As you can see, the distance between two gems is 0.1 mm. Diamonds are set, there would be a precise distance between one gem to another one. For these baguettes, it is 0.1 mm. So I moved it 0.1 mm away. There is a, here it is 0.1 mm distance, but here it is more than 0.1 mm. So it is 0.36 mm. To make it 0.1 mm on both sides, there is a simple trick I'm going to show you. Just rotate this 180 degrees. Now, let's measure the distance. It's both sides, it's the same distance. See, 0.24. We can adjust the 1 mm, 0.1 mm distance by moving it back by typing minus 0.1. Now, you see the magic, 0.1 and 0.1 on both sides. This is a little trick you need to do while you are designing with tapered baguettes. Now I'm going to move these. I'm going to group these diamonds and align them to 0. Now I'm going to move this up. Now I'm going to type 0.5 mm. The distance between the ring rail and between the diamonds and the ring rail is 0.5 mm. Now from the right viewport, I am going to make a profile for the channel setting. For that I am going to take the help of grid snap. If you status bar, you can see grid snap. If you click it on that one, your grid is snapped in the given distance. Now my grid snap distance is 1 mm. So as you can see, it is snapping to 1 mm distance. Not less, not more, 1 mm distance. So grid snap helps in snapping to the grid while designing. And if you right click on it, you go to settings, you can adjust the snap spacing. If I give 0.5 mm over here, now you'll see the snapping is happening 0.5 mm. As you can see, I hope you can see it here. Number, the snapping is 0.5 mm. See, if I change the settings to 1.5 mm, now you can see it's happening 1.5 mm. It's snapping exactly, snapping to 1.5 mm distance. So now I'm going to set the settings, grid snap settings to 0.5 mm to create the channel setting profile. See, in this way, there is no need to worry about constant measuring and constant ending the line command. With one polyline, you did the whole profile without breaking it. Now I am going to move it 0.5 mm is too much. So now I'm going to move these 2 points also. Minus 0.2. Voila. Now this line is on to the gemstone. So here this side and this side, the metal from this side and this side holds the track of the diamonds. These are the metal walls. Now I'm going to fillet the corners. I'm going to give the radius 0.2 mm. Voila. Now it's properly filleted profile curve. I will try rebuilding that without happening much damage. That should do it. We can revolve it without rebuilding also. Now I'm going to array polar the diamonds. Array polar, with the help of array polar command, I'm going to arrange these diamonds. Number of items I took 29. Voila, they are perfectly set. I'm going to check the distance between these also. Very good, 0.1. Now I'm going to revolve. With the help of revolve command, using revolve command, I'm going to create the profile for the channel setting. 0 as its center. From the right profile, I'm going to hold shift and here I'll give full circle in the command line. In the command line, full circle option is there and I'm going to press that full circle option. Voila, within minutes you got a tapered baguette channel set 3. As you can see, voila, I have shown you how to do a tapered baguette channel settling. As I have shown you earlier, see the peak. The diamonds are set between 2 metal rails. These are baguettes. Now I'm going to show you what we did over here. This is these two are the metal rails and we set tapered baguette in between those 2 metal rails perfectly. Now this is taper baguette channel setting ring. Now I'm going to show you a small trick how to turn this gem template into a cutter. A small magic trick. I'm going to remove from group one of the diamonds and I'm going to change its layer color. Hide the diamonds. This gem template is a closed mesh. This is a mesh. I'm going to convert into NURBS. Now I'm going to hide the mesh. Just draw a line from here to here. And extend the line. Now I'm going to wire cut this poly surface. I'm going to change the material into default material. Now I'm going to hold Control and Shift. I selected the bottom surface. Now I'm going to extrude that surface in the same direction. Now I'm going to Boolean union this one. Voila! You got a tapered baguette cutter from the gem template itself. Now, again, press Ctrl plus Shift and select the surface. Now, transform 3D. Now you got it tapered. Now, I'm going to use Phase Edit, bounding box, and I'm not going to change any options over there. Just I change the G degree points. Voila. There you go. Now, I'm going to unhide all the. Now I'm going to rotate this, copy S. Now I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. Voila. Now I'm going to parabola is keeping the same 29 items. And I'm going to select cell last command and group all of these. Now I'm going to do the Boolean difference. Boolean difference. Subtract from this one and select the cutters. Voila, I have shown you how to make cutters from the gem template also. Here is the tapered bucket channel settling I have done in Rhino 3D, and I have shown you step by step how to create the channel set bucket ring, tapered bucket ring. I hope you all understood very well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel 3D in the Creative World, and don't forget to share the word to other enthusiastic jewelry designers who want to learn Rhino 3D. And don't forget to like videos. If you have any doubts, reach me in the comment section.